Hi Chris, this is how you're going to set up a new account in your Stripe account. First thing you're going to do is to log into your Stripe account. That's going to bring you up to a page like this. You're going to go up here where you found before, just click on the down arrow, click on new account. That's going to ask you to name your account. You can name it whatever you want to. This is not going to show up any place, so you don't have to be concerned about what you call it. Just name it that and click on create account. I'm going to click on cancel because I've already created one. I call this new account. And what you have to do is you have to click on activate your account here. And that's going to bring you up to this page, this part here. And it's going to ask you for a whole bunch of information. And the reason I'm having you do this is because I may not know some of this information, but you just go right down here, walk your way down. It's going to ask you for an EIN number. Anything with a dot next to it is only optional. You don't have to put your EIN number or social security number in here, but you are going to be required to tell what kind of a business it is, business address. And you don't have to put in your social media. It's got a dot next to it here. You're going to put in the name that you want here, date of birth. You do have to put in your social security number here because it is going to check you out to make sure you're a real person. Stripe is going to do that. You put in your business name and phone number. And then here's where you put in your bank account information, your routing number, account number. And just click on activate account. Once the account is activated, what you're going to have to do is go down here to where it says developers, click on developers, click on API keys, and here you'll notice by default this is set up to a test token. This says test here. You're going to want to go up here where it says viewing test data. You're going to click on this. You're going to switch this button here, which is not going to let me do because this account has not been activated, but you're going to click on that. This key here, this will switch to live instead of test. That will say live. You're going to copy the test publishable key or the live publishable key here, and I'm going to need the secret key also, the live secret key. So you just click on reveal that. And this, again, will say live here when this has been clicked over. Copy that. And those are the two things that I'm going to need, your live publishable key and your live secret key. And that's what I'm going to need to connect to this. And that's pretty much all you have to do to set up the new account.